On June 1st, 2025, two passengers were removed from a Southwest Airlines flight at Nashville International Airport for verbally aggressive behavior toward crew. What followed raised a question central to American constitutional law. When does a citizen have to tell police who they are? Officers arrived to find a man and a woman already off their flight. The male subject was immediately hostile. The female remained cooperative. Before a single question was asked, the dynamic was already set. The lead officer's opening was measured, explain the rebook process, have a brief conversation. No accusation, no immediate demand, a reasonable start.
What do you think?
How you doing?
Be next to me, bro.
What's that?
You don't have to be next to us.
Oh, we got called here, sir.
Oh, what?
So once you guys get rebooked, we have to have a conversation.
Yeah. I don't know. You don't have to be next to me.
I'm not next to you.
What did I do?
We'll talk after you get rebooked,
No, I
sir.
don't have to talk to you about shit. What did I do? We got
What's up?
a lot of you.
No, you're good.
What happened was you guys were put off the airplane for the appearance of intoxication. That's how you're 59 boarding and your tickets will be refunded. You won't be charged. Behavior to the police officers. I don't believe that you won't be able to achieve the flight attendants for our flight tomorrow, so you will be paid for it. You guys place the unfortunate order right now.
So we gotta get a new flight.
I respect.
100%. Yeah.
You guys just got a conflict.
Oh wait, we have a car. I'm cool with that. You guys are
No, you are an idiot. Get out of here. Go.
Let's go.
We have to have a conversation real quick before you guys leave.
Okay. Go what?
Do you guys have your IDs on you?
Yeah.
Okay. Just because we got called here?
I don't have to give you my ID at all.
Okay, you need to identify
No, I
yourself to
don't.
me.
No, I don't. No, I don't.
Just show it. Get him.
No, I
So
don't.
I'm going to give you two options right now.
Ronnie, just
What?
give him
I don't
I
have to
need
give
to
my ID,
identify
bro.
you or you're getting arrested for public intoxication. My name's Officer
You can give
Haynes.
me a ticket.
Airport
You can give me a
police.
ticket
No,
for
you're getting
that.
arrested if I do
Just
this.
give me your ID.
You don't have to give me shit. Yeah.
I get
don't
it.
have
I
to give you
moved
shit.
here from Las Vegas.
I don't have to give you shit.
Okay, laws are different here.
I don't have to give you shit, to be
Okay.
honest.
You want to give me that or you want to get
I'll
arrested?
give it to you, yeah.
Okay.
But I don't have to give you shit. To be honest, I don't have to give you shit. Look at all these goddamn cops.
Stop it.
No,
Stop it.
I don't have to give you shit.
Stop it.
Name at all, bro.
Stop it. Just
At all.
we are good citizens.
I know we are, but I don't have to give you shit.
I came from Las Vegas.
I don't have to
lived
give
in
you
Las
shit.
Vegas.
I
Okay.
do not have to give you my
Stop
goddamn
it.
already
Just
gave me
be
your
a
ID.
nice.
I'm trying to be cool.
Legally, I don't have to give you shit.
Okay, fine, big.
So you think in Las Vegas you don't have to identify yourself when
Yes,
the
I
cops
don't.
come?
I don't.
Oh,
For
you
what
do?
crime? What crime? What crime did I do?
Public-
Oh my God.
Why did you
That's a
deny
misdemeanor.
boarding? Why did
That's
you
a
deny
misdemeanor.
Hey, sir. You might just step away from him a little bit. Get out of his face, all right?
He knows. No, you know. It is a misdemeanor, right?
You can get it's an 8-hour hold.
Yeah. No,
You'll be
it's
back in
not.
the-
Hell
Oh,
no,
it
it's
is.
not. All right, give my ID back.
I will when we're done. I will.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
The legal pivot came when the officer requested identification. The subject refused. In Tennessee, that refusal has consequences. Under T.C.A., Section 407103, officers may compel identification during a lawful investigative stop. The question is whether this stop was lawful.
Control 1015. Sir, if you would just allow our officers to talk to you, okay?
Stop it.
All right.
Stop it.
But give her my ID.
Nah, it'll go with you to jail, okay?
Shut the
All right.
Ah,
I'm ready.
call it my mom.
Gave a shit.
Yeah.
You keep his luggage and everything if you want, but
Can I keep? Yeah, I'm calling
keep all that. But
my mom. Wait,
change that
no, come get me.
The answer is likely yes. 3 factors establish reasonable suspicion of public intoxication: the airline's removal for disruptive behavior, the subject's combative demeanor on camera, and his own admission that he had been drinking before arrival. Under Terry versus Ohio, that is enough to justify the stop and the identification demand. The subject argued Nevada law applied, and he was partially right. Nevada is not a stop and identify state. Tennessee is. His constitutional instinct was coherent. His geography was wrong.
You can get on a flight, you can get back. But obviously his attitude, we don't deal with that here.
I wouldn't either.
I knew you were on the phone, or do you have someone coming to
Yeah,
get you?
my mom.
Oh, okay.
Coming,
So you have
yeah,
a place to stay?
yeah, I'm good.
And I can help you
And
with
I'm
your
sorry,
bags.
like, no, I don't need you to.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I'm
Okay,
good.
okay.
I just, they're 10 minutes away from me, so I'm fine.
Okay.
I'm fine, but
I tried
I don't
to be-
understand why he was such a. I don't understand, like.
Did you guys drink here at the airport, or did y'all drink before you came in here?
We drank before we got.
Okay. They like to know which bar we need in case we have to like
Yeah, no.
go
no.
talk to one of the bartenders or something like that. You know, they like us to ask that stuff. So, are you sure you got everything?
Yeah.
If you ever come pick you up, just have her pick you up on the 3rd level. Instead of going down to the 2nd level, the arrivals,
Okay.
have her pick you up at the departures.
She
That way
asked, and I was like, just tell me where you are and I'll find you.
Okay.
Because my brother lives here, so I come here all the time.
Okay, yeah.
Okay. Well, thank you. I'm sorry.
Tried to be as cool with your husband as I could, but unfortunately,
I don't know
just-
why he's being such a. Like,
We appreciate your cooperation for sure.
Thank you for being cooperative.
Y'all push me.
then walk.
Don't let her walk. Idiot. Dumbass. Shit. Joe, can push my face in that shit.
I have no reason to do that.
Well, you did.
They're automatic
You
doors.
almost did. Asshole. I like this guy.
Inside the car camera. Now you got some more wiggle room, okay?
And by the way,
Go.
Tennessee baseball too.
Tennessee baseball. Heard that.
I played that.
You got room in both of those. We're gonna lock them down for you, okay?
I'm going to jail.
Yeah, you're going to jail for
Okay.
disorderly conduct and public intoxication today.
Okay. And I get you bailed out in like what, 3 hours?
8-hour hold.
What?
8 hours in Tennessee.
Just reach across and grab the seatbelt, okay?
Go ahead, bro.
Here you go.
Nope.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Do what you gotta do, man. I'm okay with that. I f***ed up, yeah, that's what it is.
If you want some air, just let me know. I can
No,
turn it
no,
off.
shit. It is what it is, bro. I messed up.
I'm going to jail. Nope, that's where you're going. Not a probably.
I don't know why are we waiting for it?
They're writing their arrest report.
If we're good, why don't you just do it now?
They are doing it right now.
So what are we waiting for?
For them to write their arrest report, like I just said.
Where the
They do going as fast as they can, Big Papa.
Come on, let's go.
We can't go yet.
Well, let's go. Junior,
I'm listening,
write me up, Junior.
Right, you up.
Right, you up.
Yeah, you little junior ass. Yeah, tell him you support it. Yeah,
Spit it out.
class. And you.
When the subject said that's a misdemeanor, he was tracking the legal stakes in real time. That awareness matters because it weakens the disorderly conduct charge. Tennessee courts require specific conduct, not just profane speech, to sustain that charge. City of Houston versus Hill protects much of what he said. After the arrest, the lead officer's conduct shifted notably. He explained the charges clearly to the companion, helped her arrange a pickup, and expressed genuine empathy. That transition from tense arrest to calm aftercare is not small. It is what professional policing looks like. What should have happened for the officers? Before issuing the arrest ultimatum, state the reasonable suspicion basis on camera. You were removed from this aircraft for disruptive behavior. I have reasonable suspicion of public intoxication. 6 seconds. Cleaner record. Less exposure to suppression motions. What should have happened for the subject? Hand over the ID. Say clearly, I provide this under protest. I do not consent to this stop. That one sentence preserves every constitutional argument for the courtroom where it actually matters. Refusing ID in a stop and identify state does not protect rights. It creates new charges. Lessons from this encounter. First, know the laws of the state you are in, not the state you came from. Rights vary by jurisdiction. Assuming otherwise is a costly mistake. Second, compliance under objection is a legal strategy, not surrender. Handing over your ID while saying I do not consent keeps your rights intact and keeps you out of handcuffs. Third, for officers articulate your reasonable suspicion out loud. On camera, it takes seconds. It closes the door on suppression arguments before a defense attorney can open it. Fourth, alcohol in airports are a documented combination that ends flights, trips, and sometimes freedom. An 8-hour hold is a small consequence. The real cost is the flight, the rebooking, and the record. The subject was booked on public intoxication and disorderly conduct, both Class C misdemeanors, and held 8 hours. His companion was not charged. Southwest declined to rebook them. His own final words said it best. I messed up. It is what it is. The lead officer receives a B+, professional under pressure, exemplary in the aftermath, but lacking on-camera articulation of the stop's legal basis. The companion receives an A-, calm, cooperative, and legally sound throughout a situation not of her making. The male subject receives a D. He had real legal knowledge and used it to make his situation worse. The courtroom was the right place for his arguments. The terminal was not. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, BlueLine Evidence, for more police interaction and courtroom content.